Hello, everybody! Today, let's get ready for a farmer's market paint table featuring stained glass painting on floating frames. The Vinci Eye app can make preparing your designs much easier. You can use your own designs or find free designs in the app. Look up Charity Lowe's art and check out the inspiration section for lots of different options. For the frames, floating frames from the Dollar Tree work great. Simply remove the back so that the glass is exposed on both sides. Now you can use the Vinci Eye app to trace your design directly onto the glass. The app uses augmented reality to overlay your reference image onto your live camera view. So as you look through your phone, you can see exactly where your design needs to go. It doesn't actually project anything onto your glass. Instead, you look through your phone and there's a digital image overlaid through your live camera view. You can zoom in on different sections to make smaller details easier to trace. The strobe feature is also really helpful because it lets you compare your original reference to what you've already traced. This makes it easier to spot any lines or details you may have missed. For this project, try doing the tracing on the backside of the glass with the dry erase markers. This makes cleanup much easier because the leading will be applied to the front. If a little marker gets outside the lines, you can simply wipe it away from the back when you are finished. Once the tracing is complete, clean the front of the design with glass cleaner or rubbing alcohol. This removes fingerprints, dust, and oils off the glass and gives the paint a nice, clean surface to adhere to. For the stained glass effect, Deco Art stained glass paint works really well. The leading comes in different colors, including gold, silver, and black, so you can mix and match them and give each piece a different look. Plaid also makes similar stained glass paint if you want another option. When applying the leading, take your time and keep your pressure consistent. If you're new to using leading, practice on a piece of cardboard. This will help you get comfortable with the pressure needing to create smooth and even lines. Once the leading has dried, flip the frame over and wipe the dry erase marker off the back. Now the glass is clean and ready for paint. Let the leading dry for about 24 hours before painting. Once everything's ready, set up the paint table with prepared designs, stained glass paint, brushes, and the Vinci Eye app. Participants can either use the app to trace their own design or choose from designs that have already been prepared. Then comes the fun part, painting. Encourage everyone to experiment with colors and techniques. You can even mix colors on the glass and use a toothpick to swirl them together for fun effects. You can also prepare some take-home kits for anyone who doesn't want to wait for a spot at the table. This would be a fun activity for a farmer's market, paint party, birthday party, or even a creative afternoon with friends. So grab some glass, your favorite designs, and some stained glass paint, and give it a try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.